Hi guys, talking about the recent report where a Thai guy claimed that his bank account had been hacked on his phone. Doubts were raised about it being caused by a rigged charging cable, and some even predicted that him charging his phone on a public charging point was could be the cause. Let me just update you on what the bank finally found. According to the bank, the problem was that a piece of malware was installed on his phone. So, in this specific case, it was neither a faulty cable nor the public charging point that was the cause of the problem. That's it, guys. See you later.